Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be repairing the Mccormick gear sensor. So I am going to show you how to solve the problem. First thing you need to do is lift up the mat, because we need access to the top of the gearbox, and access is provided through this hatch here. I've done bolts all that. The bolts are 13mm bolts, and instead of holding the camera, I'll just get on and do it. Okay, so here's the top of the gearbox original, and I believe the problem is this sensor here. So what's happening is there's a dodgy connection in that sensor. These sensors, like you can see there's two on this tractor, but it's only one that's actually causing the trouble. Center sensor here. I think actually this sensor might actually be an oil flow sensor or oil temperature sensor for the gearbox. But this one's the one that's playing up. So first thing we do is take the cable off. We'll cut the cables and bypass the switch because I get nothing but trouble. Guaranteed. Need to make hay in the summer. Tractor won't start because of this sensor. And I'm not going to be paying £150 for a sensor that fails every few years. So I do away with it. So cut a piece of this plastic sleeve just enough to expose the wires. Cut a piece of the casing, the white casing here. Same on this one. And I'm going to put one male and one female connector. Join the two together, and that is this one. So I've just crimped those together, trimmed the cables to these connectors, and plug them both in. Now we'll need this insulation tape. How well you can see that. Tape them up so they don't arc. I bypassed both sensors because guaranteed what will happen is I've done one and the other one will fail. So to save time and trouble, I bypassed both. Okay, so I've just put the casing back together, just put in the rest of the floor, carpets back in, the floor mat. There we are. screwdriver on it. So to take the floor mat off, I should have explained. So this rubber flap here, you need to lift this both sides and then lift it up. So you lift this tab, lift it up, and the same the other side, and that's your floor lifted. And just peel this all back as well. These strips of rubber here will go underneath this, just underneath, so I need to put those back. So that's it, fixed. So I'll just explain the gear system quickly on this tractor. Excuse the mess. This, which is your high and low. Put the clutch down. You can select it high, neutral, low. Here you've got 4 gears. First, second, third is across and up, fourth all the way down. So this here is called a shuttle. For the tractor to move, high needs to be in either high or low, the selector. The gear lever needs to be in the chosen gear, and this here is called the shuttle. Now this shuttle is supposed to be either forward, neutral or reverse, depends which direction you want to go. So now I'll start the tractor. Just make sure. So just put it in low. First. That's it. Feet back. Forward. Does the same. And that's basically how it works. So on my maintenance videos, I'm going to be doing a bit more on this tractor. The light switch, which is here, has got a short in it, so the lights don't work. This here has also failed, so that'll need doing. Obviously the filters all need replacing, the oil needs training and replacing. This indicator light here needs changing, and I'm not sure if it's this one or the next one. I've got a bulb gone as well, bulb blown. So yeah, there's quite a bit of work that needs doing to this tractor. The secret to keeping these in good condition is to keep them tidy and well maintained. And they won't let you down. So I think that's it for tonight. Thanks very much for watching, and hope you subscribe to my channel. And I will be back next time for some more action on the farm.